Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Conceptualized to revolutionize the sport of athletics and offer athletes substantial prize monies, the Grand Slam Track League is also impacting other track and field events globally, and the spin-off may not all be positive. The ultra-rich Grand Slam offers a chance for athletes, should they win each of the 4 slams in their event category, to win upwards of US $400,000 in a single season. However, that pay structure is having an impact on other events such as the Racers Grand Prix. Chairman of the Racers Grand Prix, Glenn Mills, highlighted this during the launch of the June 7 meet on Tuesday.
The price of athletes' appearance fee and so on keeps going up. And with the Grand Slam coming in with a new dimension of financial structure, you find that athletes, the managers and so on, tend to ask some more, and so on. The price goes up. So the local sponsors, they have done very well for us, but the challenge is that we have to pay in US dollars, and so the exchange rate.
Mills says this will make meet organizers more reliant on gate receipts. Since the advent of the Grand Slam, the Diamond League has also increased its prize pool. The 2024-25 English Premier League title could be decided today as Arsenal play host to Crystal Palace at the Emirates Stadium at 2 p.m. Arsenal are currently 13 points behind leaders Liverpool with 5 games to go, and anything but a win would virtually guarantee Liverpool the title ahead of their match against Tottenham Hotspur this weekend. Meanwhile, Crystal Palace are in 12th on 44 points and could still book a place in the UEFA Conference League next season, as they are currently 5 points behind 8th place Bournemouth. Jamaica Football Championship Zone A leaders Medforest FC on 25 points will oppose second place Limehall FC on 24 points in a rescheduled top-of-the-table clash at the Draxall Sports Complex today. The winner of the game will book their place in the semi-final of the competition and move a step closer to qualification to the Jamaica Premier League next season. Kickoff is at 3:30 p.m. Finally, Luka Doncic scored a game-high 31 points for the Los Angeles Lakers as they beat the Minnesota Timberwolves 94-85 to level their Western Conference first-round playoff series at 1-1. Doncic sank 16 of his points in the first quarter as a home side started strongly, and his overall performance also included 12 rebounds and 9 assists. LeBron James added 21 points to the Lakers' tally as he also registered 11 rebounds, while teammate Austin Reeves contributed 16 points. Elsewhere, Milwaukee Bucks star Giannis Antetokounmpo scored a game-high 34 points, but his visiting side were beaten 123-115 by the Indiana Pacers, who took a 2-0 lead in their Eastern Conference first-round playoff series. Tyrese Halliburton scored 21 points and added 12 assists, while Pacers teammate Pascal Siakam added 24 points and 11 rebounds. And Western Conference winners Oklahoma City Thunder went 2-0 up in the first-round playoff series against the Memphis Grizzlies, courtesy of a comfortable 118-99 win at home. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
Thank you, Renardo, and that's Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.